about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Good morning, my loves. Sabah al khair, sabah al ward. How are you today? Good morning. All is good here, alhamdulillah. Right, for this really simple and quick baklava recipe, all you'll need is filo pastry, butter, golden syrup, and pistachio nuts. Please note you will need the unsalted pistachio nuts, not the salted. Okay, so here we go. All we're going to do is start off with layering up the pastry. So I've added a touch of butter onto the tray just so that the filo pastry sticks to it. I'm then going to brush the melted butter across each sheet of pastry. The bottom half of pastry, you'll need about 5 sheets of filo pastry. Once you've done this, you need to blend your pistachios to a coarse consistency and then sprinkle on top of the 5th layer of filo pastry. Once you've done this, add another 5 layers of filo pastry on top. Score the pastry into sections as seen here before you put it into the oven. Once your baklava is golden in colour, you need to generously add golden syrup to the top and then sprinkle with the leftover pistachios. Saharaha. Enjoy.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we